24. In the knowing field. Have you ever felt stuck, despite your best efforts to resolve emotional stress, relationship problems, or other personal issues? Or perhaps you've noticed negative patterns repeating themselves in your life, leaving you wondering why. As I hesitated, torn between laughter and tears at the accuracy of these questions, and wondering who had shared my life story with this stranger, the voice on the other end of the phone continued. If your answer is yes, then I'll see you on Sunday in George. The curtains of my life had been rustling, awaiting the next act. The stage was set, primed for a symphony of synchronicity and serendipity. Isaac's words had sparked this transformation, and now, enter Isaac and family constellations. Family constellations offers a unique approach to uncovering and resolving the underlying issues that Isaac had alluded to. This therapeutic method recognizes that painful events in our family's past can create unconscious entanglements, leading to emotional challenges, difficult relationships, and negative life patterns. These entanglements often result from traumatic events such as divorce, early deaths, adoptions, or addictions, causing family members to carry burdens on behalf of others. In a family constellations workshop, participants identify and change hidden dynamics. The process begins with clients selecting representatives for relevant family members from a circle of seated participants. The client then positions these representatives in the center of the circle, known as the knowing field. This term describes the collective unconscious energy that emerges in the constellation process. As the representatives are arranged in relation to each other based on intuition, they remarkably start experiencing the emotions and sensations of the individuals they represent, creating a three-dimensional map of the family system. Through guided questioning, healing sentences, and repositioning representatives, the facilitator helps restore natural orders of supporting love and energy flow within the family system. This process reveals a clear picture of the underlying issues and allows clients to break free from unconscious patterns. Workshop options include working on your personal issue through a constellation, serving as a representative for others, no experience necessary, or observing to determine if this method suits you. Knowing your family's history and relationships can shed light on the complexities of your family dynamics and also enables the facilitator to better understand your situation and guide the constellation process effectively. Notably, my home country played a pivotal role in the development of family constellations. Dr. Bert Hellinger, the founder, spent 16 years as a Catholic missionary in South Africa, where he immersed himself in Zulu culture and learned from the community's traditional understanding of family bonds, ancestral ties, and the interconnectedness of all life. The term constellations refers to the process of discovering and reclaiming one's rightful place within this interconnected web. It was a moment of truth. On 4 December 2016, I sat beside Isaac, prepared to confront my adoption through a personal constellation. 12 strangers surrounded me. I asked participants to represent me, my birth mother, my birth father, my mom, and my dad. Isa conducted the process double-blind, ensuring they remained unaware of the theme, my adoption, and the identities of those they represented. This ensured unbiased and genuine reactions. Transfixed. I felt my heart racing, pounding against my throat as my breath hitched in anticipation. The silence was palpable. The representatives remained motionless, as if rooted to the floor. Then Isak approached my quote-unquote birth mother, who stood with her back to quote-unquote me. He whispered something inaudible in her ear, and she turned to face quote-unquote me. Isak then spoke aloud. This is your daughter, the one you gave up for adoption. Look her in the eye and say to her, I see you. I felt myself collapsing into my chair. The scene before me was riveting, but it was the words, I see you, that shattered my composure. As I see you pierced my heart, I crumbled, overwhelmed by uncontrollable tears. The familiar anguish rose like a tidal wave, echoes of Dolores' porch and the Verliesdorp Road. Isak gestured to another participant to offer support, and a kind-faced woman stepped forward, standing behind me with gentle hands on my shoulders, soothing my turmoil with her calming presence. As the session unfolded, I was blindsided by the ferocity of my emotions. The words, I see you, had triggered an earthquake within me, and I struggled to grasp why. Those 3 simple words shouldn't have shattered me so utterly, yet they awakened a profound sense of recognition, exposing a deep well of hidden emotions. The session became a blur, but one truth emerged. My adoption was no longer abstract. It was real, palpable, and heart-wrenching. As the session drew to a close, Isak invited me onto the floor and asked the representatives to form a circle around me. His gentle words resonated deeply. Come, Elmarie, come and feel the energy here. There is healing for you. Come and soak it up. The room held its breath as a collective shiver ran through the group, hearts pounding in unison with the weight of shifted air. Afterward, we all needed a brief respite to collect ourselves. Representing others in their constellations revealed the process's uncanny accuracy. I'd move or speak instinctively, and clients would confirm the truth of what unfolded. Their recognition validated the experience, dispelling any doubts about its authenticity. As I drove the 60 kilometers from George to Oudtshoorn, I felt weightless, as if floating. Except for the transformative moment on Dolores' porch and my hypnotherapy sessions, this encounter had brought me closer than ever to unraveling the enigma surrounding my adoption and my parents. The experience resonated deeply, its reverberations echoing through my mind like the gentle hum of the engine. Back home that evening, immersed in a warm Epsom salt bath, I pondered Isaac's parting words to our group. Family constellations don't solve family problems. It's no guarantee they'll disappear. But stuck energies in family dynamics become unstuck. His cautionary tone still lingered within me. Be prepared for possible chaos or turmoil in the immediate future, but consider it a good sign. Things are moving. My inner Alice in Wonderland was ecstatic, clapping her hands with glee. She had already tumbled down the rabbit hole of possibilities, fantasizing about a brighter future.